Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. In today's video, I'm going to talk about express entry immigration to Canada and all that you need to know about this program that was first introduced in 2015 and has been the main driver of skilled worker immigration into Canada. So under the 2021-2023 Canada Immigration Levels Plan, the government of Canada expects more than 100,000 people to obtain Canadian permanent residence through the Express Entry annually. So what is Express Entry Canada? So Express Entry Canada is basically an immigration system whereby the applications for skilled immigrants who want to settle into Canada and permanently take part in the economy are processed. So through this immigration system, the Canadian government specifically is targeting skilled immigrants who want to move permanently into Canada. So through the Express Entry Canada system, eligible candidates are competitively ranked against each other, and the best ranking candidates are invited to apply for Canadian permanent resident status. So they use what we call the CRS score, that is a comprehensive ranking system, which has a total score of 1,200. And the express entry candidates are ranked based on the profiles that they submit to the system, and then they are ranked against one another based on their age. The younger you are, the better for you. Obviously, their education levels, the higher your education levels, of course, the higher your CRS score. If you are educated in Canada, of course, that's a plus for you. Your language proficiency, the official languages in Canada is French and English. But if you can speak French, of course, your score goes even higher. Your work experience, if you have Canadian full-time work experience, then that's a plus for you. If you have international work experience of at least 3 years full-time, then it could take up in lieu of your Canadian work experience, and also other factors. So through the express entry, individuals and families can actually move together and settle into Canada permanently within 6 months or less. So let's look at what are the documents required for you to create your express entry application. So for you to create your express entry application, these are the documents that you are going to require. So the number one document, of course, you will need is your passport, right? So you're gonna have to need your passport to be able to create your express entry application. And then number two, you're gonna need your language test. So all express entry candidates must show proficiency in either English or French, and for you to be able to do that, you must have official test scores from an approved language test. So for example, if you want to test your English, you could apply to IELTS General Training Exam, or you can apply through the CELPIP General Exam. If you want to prove your French proficiency, then your options are the TEF exam or the TCF exam. And then number three requirement is your educational credentials assessment, which is what we call ECA. So ECA basically evaluates non-Canadian education by Canadian standards. So for example, if let's say I have a master's in education from University of Nairobi, then I will submit it to the ECA to make sure that it can rank competitively to Canadian standards. And note that education is a mandatory requirement only if you're applying for express entry through the federal skilled worker class. But it is recommended that even if you're applying through the FSTC or 3CEC, you also complete your ECA report, because education is an important component of the CRS score and it will help you to rank higher, okay? And then number three, obviously make sure that if you're applying, number four, if you're applying with your spouse or common law partner, make sure that you want to compare your credentials ahead of time, so that if your partner has higher ranking profile, then let your partner or your spouse be the principal applicant in the express entry profile, because their CRS score will boost your application and make you more competitive. Well, guys, those are the 4 main requirements that you need to create your express entry profile. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye-bye.